as we continue to adjust to the new virtual learning environments. Success, to a large extent, will depend on whether we're able to shift our focus from being tactical to strategic. And there's nothing more strategic than school climate. Although leaders, teachers, and students are not physically in school, a school's culture and its climate still does exist. And if we don't take active steps to shape a positive school climate in this new virtual environment, it will be shaped for us. A school's climate is like its personality. The term school climate covers everything from norms and values, the quality of relationships, celebrating diversity, physical and emotional safety, as well as rigorous teaching practices. You may feel you have too much on your plate right now to worry about school climate. But the truth of the matter is, your school's climate is your plate. Positive school climates are characterized by psychological and physical safety. Students feel comfortable to express themselves, ask questions, and take risks. Teachers are free to raise ideas and try new techniques. The current crisis is a test to the system. A school with an established positive school climate prior to the pandemic, where supportive leadership is in place, respect amongst teachers, and trust from families, will serve as a school's immune system, ready to fend off any attacks or threats. However, a school without an established positive school climate will show weaknesses. So how do you build a positive school climate if your school is virtual? I'll tell you, it's not about changing traditional domains. It's about finding best practice, thinking creatively, and working innovatively. My name is Mohammed Jina, and I'm really excited for you to join me in the series where you leave with practical tools and strategies for you to build a positive school climate in your new virtual school. I'd love to hear what you've been doing to build a positive school climate. Make sure to add those into the comments below. Bye for now.